In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify failed to load the page. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to fix this problem, what you want to do is first click here on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on Settings. Now search for Cookies. Now select Clear Browsing Data. Now you can select the time range from here, so it's best to just select all time. Now you want to make sure to check all of this, your browsing history, the cookies and other site data, and also the cached image and files. So when you click here on clear data, all of this browsing history, all of the data in your Google Chrome will be wiped out. So make sure to save all of your passwords somewhere or don't forget it because you will need that, especially your Shopify login credentials. So now after you've cleared the data, you will now no longer have any problem loading pages on your Shopify. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.